What are my empties? What do I use to the bottom of? What do I often repeat purchase and spend money on myself? I have got them here. Some of them might be surprising for you. Number one, not surprising. Aromatherapy Associates. This Revive oil, it's the main oil that I actually burn when I'm working. And if you're working from home, then that little Revive oil in any atomizer, or even just in some hot water on a saucer, or a tiny bit diluted on your pulse points, is absolutely fantastic. Oh, this one's a two-parter. Right, Microdelivery peel. This is from Philosophy. And with this one, I bought this myself. I've been gifted it over the years, but I've also bought it myself a lot over the years. If you want a really thorough exfoliation, Microdelivery, it's really thorough, really gets into nooks and crannies and open pores, deep cleansing, lasts about 3 months, and that's me using it 2 or 3 times a week. And if you want really great results and you've got dry skin and you can take it, I'll use it several nights in a row before a photo shoot. Oh, massive repeat purchase. Serum foundation. I buy them in multiples. This is the Intensive Serum Foundation. I take sand and warm sand. They're a liquid, supple, soft serum foundation which looks very dewy and fresh. Light to medium coverage. Check out my highlights for all of my favourite products.